good afternoon and good evening, and I have returned to Bomunsan today. Last time I hiked it was my first ever vlog in the winter time, so today we are in the midst of spring. It feels like summer today though, it's like 27 degrees. But anyway, come with me as we explore Bomunsan in the spring. So we're also going to check out the new observation platform, so let's do that now. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, let's go inside. I haven't been in here. This is my first time too. Okay, let's check out the view. Well, I've never seen this before. A digital telescope. Wow. Let's see if it works. There we are. We can zoom in to the baseball stadium and zoom out. Yeah, we can move it around. Wow, that is seriously impressive tech. So yeah, welcome to Korea. And the design of this is really impressive as well. Just look at the views that you can get from here. Wow. But I am seriously impressed by these digital telescopes. Wow. And yeah, on the third floor, we have this impressive terrace overlooking the city. Wow. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this. So yeah, this opened a few months ago. And yeah, I think this is going to be a popular spot for people to come. Yeah, I'm absolutely insanely impressed by this observation deck. So yeah, I came here, like I say, 3 months ago, and it was not open, but yeah, it's definitely been worth the wait. So and yeah, I'll be coming back here. This makes Bomunsan such an attractive mountain to visit. So. Okay, time for a hike. Let's do this. Okay, so we're heading to Bomunsanseong. So let's get going. Break time. Yeah, it's a fairly hot day today. Yeah, 27 degrees. What is it, May the 13th? So yeah, it's a little bit warm for this time of year. And the humidity is pretty high as well. But generally, one thing I love about this mountain is it's a really moderate hike to the top, even though I'm not really reflecting that. But yeah, it really is. So. Well, I'm impressed with myself. It's only taken me, well, about 20 minutes to get to the top. So, but yeah, if you're like just normal hiker, might take about 30 minutes. But yeah, it's a nice, as I said, it's a nice moderate walk to the top, even though I am sweating buckets. So after 20-30 minutes, we are now at the pavilion. So it's going to come into view just in a minute, and you'll recognize this from the previous vlog, although I will say it's much warmer today. So there we are. See the roof of it appearing behind the brick wall, the old fortress wall of Bomunsan. And yeah, once again we made it. Let's go inside. This view never disappoints. Never. Hi, so yeah, I'm at the top. It took around 30 minutes from where I was at the observation up to the top, but I do hike quite fast actually. I think if you've never hiked this before and you start from the observation to where I am at the pavilion, it probably would take you maybe around sort of 40-50 minutes. But yeah, it is a very moderate hike to the top. So yeah, I'm just enjoying the views. The visibility, I should say, is absolutely insane up here, so I'm going to admire the views. I have a Twix today, not my usual Snickers, so I'm going to enjoy that. And then we're going to hit the other peak, just to the side of me, which I showed on the previous vlog. And then we're going to go down to the Buddhist temple, and it's coming up to Buddha's birthday here in Korea. So we're going to check out the temple. I'm sure there'll be many lanterns for us to see. So yeah, come along with me, and yeah, let's keep going. Actually, just off camera, once again, I was talking to another hiker this week. So, yeah, he was a foreigner, like me. And, yeah, I just said to him, oh, is it your first time hiking Bomunsan? And he said to me, no, I hike it every day. So there we are. I take my hat off to him. Yeah, that's something I would love to do. But every day, yeah, I don't have the time for that. But, yeah, I enjoy hiking when I can. So one thing I love about this mountain is that you can see the other mountains that I've vlogged. So this one is Sikjangsan, so check out that vlog if you haven't already. Over here is Gochoksa. Again, check out that one if you haven't. And my latest vlog, I was actually hiking this ridge here, and then I went behind it where the lake is, Daejeon Hall. Obviously you can't see from here because of the mountains. And once again, it's staring at me, but yeah, quite a local biggie mountain. Gyeongsan, just over in the distance. I will be hiking that very, very soon. So I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, doesn't Daejeon look beautiful today? So here is some information about the fortress at the top. So yeah, we're going to check out the wall now, and then we're going to head over to the other peak. And here we have the old fortress wall. So I'm going to be respectful, of course. I'm not going to walk on it. Yeah, they were doing some recent restoration works to it. So, but yeah, it's very nice. So, and it just wraps around the top of this peak. So, yeah, we can see the other peak actually. It's just over there. It looks quite high up. But yeah, there's a way to get up there, which if you've watched my previous vlog, you will know there are a lot of steps. So, but yeah, so we're going to leave this now and head towards the other peak. So the next destination is the Sirubong. So let's go there. Should we go down? No, let's continue. The best gym in Daejeon? Maybe. It is getting closer to summer now, so yeah, it is that time to hit the gym and hit it hard for the beach. But I think I'm going to continue hiking. It's a leg day today, so I'm okay. So here we go again. 0.1 kilometers. It sounds really easy. So, but yeah, these steps, this staircase is a bit of a killer. So, but let's do it. Are you ready for some speed? Let's go. Bomunsan, 457 meters. There we are. And once again, this mountain, wherever you stand on this mountain, it never disappoints with the views. I love a good map, and this one is a good one. So yeah, we started out here, and I've walked up the mountain along this trail to Bomunsanseong. And then from there, I've walked along this ridge to where we are. You are here, Sirubong. And then we're going to drop back down here and we're going to check out this temple and make our way back down the mountain. So back to the city. So there we are. So it's took me a lot of energy to get to the top and now we're heading back down. Yeah, just before I go down, I just want to emphasize that there are so many trails on this mountain, so yeah, you can pick and choose where you want to go, and that's the good thing about this mountain. It's very versatile in terms of where you want to explore, and it's always easier going down. So I'm looking forward to now checking out this temple, literally just down from where I'm stood. So yeah, it's Buddha's birthday here in Korea on the 24th of May, so not too long now to go. We're on the 13th, so what, 11 days. So yeah, so we'll see some beautiful lanterns as we get down there. And yeah, so come along with me as we hit the temple and descend down the mountain. So relaxing, so peaceful. And now we follow the lanterns down the mountain. Well, this is a much easier descent down this road, this particular road. So on my first vlog that I did, yeah, this was covered in snow and ice, so I had to be super careful. But yeah, today is much easier to go down. On my last vlog, if you remember, I was talking about this Daejeon circular trail, what goes around all the mountains. So yeah, this is number 1. So here are some of the key attractions on the mountain. So yeah, it's a great place. So that's it for another hiking vlog, and yeah, thanks for coming along today as we explored Bomunsan in the springtime. Yeah, watching my videos means a lot to me, so yeah, drop us a comment, let me know which part of the video that you enjoyed, and yeah, so until next time, everyone take care, look after each other, and I'll see you next time.